Bitcoin just crossed $89,500, and the momentum is insane. But what's next? Will it soar to 200,000 like some experts claim? Or are we on the edge of another crash? Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm breaking down the real forces driving this rally and the three major price predictions you can't afford to ignore in 2025. Institutions are pouring in. ETFs are exploding. The US dollar? Weakening. It's the perfect storm for a Bitcoin boom or bust. And trust me, what Robert Kiyosaki just said about Bitcoin might give you goosebumps. But there's a twist, and it could flip everything upside down. As of right now, April 22nd, 2020, Bitcoin is holding strong around $89,500. That's not just another rally, it's a signal that whales, hedge funds, and institutions are quietly repositioning. Changelly says we could hit 97K by tomorrow, and Binance is a bit more cautious, aiming for around $90,900 by the 29th. But either way, the short-term sentiment is loud and clear. Bullish. So, why now? 3 words: ETF inflows, institutional interest, and a weak dollar. The US economy is teetering, the Fed's playing hopscotch with inflation, and Bitcoin, it's looking like a safe haven again. Gold? Great, but Bitcoin? Portable, digital, and deflation-proof. This isn't just hype. This is positioning. Smart money is moving fast. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Let's talk about where Bitcoin might go by the end of this year. Robert Kiyosaki, the rich dad, poor dad guy, says Bitcoin is heading for 180,000 to 200,000 before the ball drops on 2025. Coin Codex, they're playing it smart, estimating an average of $117,308 with a range between 89K and 128K just this month. And CoinDCX? Full send. They believe Bitcoin will touch 200,000 in 2025, calling it the bullish cycle of the decade. But here's what they're not telling you. None of these predictions matter if we get hit by a major regulatory shift. One tweet, one headline, one government decision, and boom, the market could nosedive. Crypto isn't just about price, it's about narrative, sentiment, and timing. That's why you have to stay sharp, stay updated, and most importantly, stay in the loop. So what should you do? If you're investing right now, don't chase the hype. Watch the trends, understand the cycles. Bitcoin doesn't just moon for fun, it moves with the market tides. And if you're still here, you're way ahead of the crowd. Subscribe for daily updates. Hit that like button if you want me to break down the next altcoin breakout. And drop a comment below. Do you believe Bitcoin will hit 200K, or are we headed for another crash? Because here on the Crypto Watchtower, we don't just talk crypto, we decode it. See you in the next video. Subscribe for tomorrow's forecast. It's going to be wild.